Dear students, yesterday we were discussing about nitric acid. So in group number 15, we have nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So in the nitrogen based compounds, we have already completed dinitrogen molecule, ammonia as well as nitric acid. Three compounds we have already completed. Next, oxides and oxo acids of nitrogen. So as we studied that nitrogen combines with the oxygen, it forms different types of compounds. So first, oxides of nitrogen. When the nitrogen element combines with the oxygen, it forms nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide, dinitrogen trioxide. This is a nitrogen tetroxide or dinitrogen tetroxide, nitrogen pentoxide. So we have 6 oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen combines with oxygen, it forms 6 type of compounds. One by one we will discuss. So in this concept, oxidation state is very important, 1 mark. What is the oxidation state of nitrogen in all the compounds? So we take first nitric oxide, NO. And what is the oxidation state of nitrogen? And in 11th we studied how to calculate oxidation state of an element in a compound. We need the oxidation state of nitrogen, so we take it as X. And generally oxidation state of oxygen is -2. So in most of the cases oxygen will have -2 oxidation state. Only in certain cases it will exhibit oxidation state of -1 and +2, as we studied in 11th. In certain compounds, oxidation state of oxygen will be different. So here -2 is the oxidation state of oxygen. So oxidation state of nitrogen is +2. And this is a colorless gas. So its physical status, gaseous state, and which is colorless in nature, and which is neutral in nature. So it is not acidic. Generally, non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. We already studied metallic oxides are basic in nature, non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature, but nitric oxide is neutral in nature. Then preparation of nitric oxide. It can be prepared using sodium nitrite salt, ferrous sulfate with the sulfuric acid. So by mixing sodium nitrite, ferrous sulfate and the sulfuric acid, we get ferric sulfate. So what is the name of the process? Ferrous sulfate becomes ferric sulfate. Now this is oxidation process. Fe2 plus is changed into Fe3 plus, oxidation process. So along with ferric sulfate, we get sodium bisulfate as well as nitric oxide. So this is the preparation of nitric oxide, and the respective Lewis dot structure is given in the book. Right? You just memorize as such. Structure of oxides of nitrogen based on Lewis concept is given in book. Second compound, nitrogen dioxide. Calculate oxidation state of nitrogen. We take it as X. Then we have 2 oxygen atom. For each oxygen, oxidation state -2. So oxidation state of nitrogen is +4. And this is a brown color gas, and which is acidic in nature. So all these are 1 mark questions, right? What is the nature of oxides of nitrogen and oxidation state? All are 1 mark questions. Preparation 2 more questions. Structure and preparation will be 2 more questions. Right. So we have already observed this nitrogen dioxide in our laboratory. In 11th practicals, we have observed this brown color nitrogen dioxide gas. So in 11th practicals, we analyzed lead nitrate salt. If you are provided with lead nitrate salt, in action of heat test or with sulfuric acid, when we heat this lead nitrate, it liberates nitrogen dioxide gas, brown color gas, along with oxygen. Okay, so this is the preparation of nitrogen dioxide. Third compound, laughing gas, nitrous oxide. So calculate oxidation state. Oxidation state of nitrogen is taken as X. We have 2 nitrogen atoms, so 2X, oxygen -2. So oxidation status +1, and this is a colorless gas and which is neutral in nature. Okay. And the preparation of nitrous oxide, which can be prepared from ammonium nitrate salt. When ammonium nitrate is decomposed, it provides nitrous oxide gas to the liberation of water. Then fourth compound, dinitrogen trioxide. Take oxidation state of nitrogen as X, totally 2 nitrogen atoms present, 2X plus 3 oxygen atom, for each oxygen -2 is the oxidation state or charge. So 2X -6 is equal to 0. So oxidation state of nitrogen in dinitrogen trioxide is +3, and which is a blue color solid. Okay, one more question. Blue color solid which is acidic in nature. And the preparation of dinitrogen trioxide, this can be prepared from nitric oxide and nitrogen tetroxide. If these two are joining, we get dinitrogen trioxide. Next, fifth compound, nitrogen tetroxide or dinitrogen tetroxide. Calculate the oxidation state. 2 nitrogen atoms and 4 oxygen atoms. So oxidation state of nitrogen in dinitrogen tetroxide is +4, and which is a colorless solid and which is acidic in nature. Next, preparation. This can be prepared from nitrogen dioxide gas. When 2 molecules of nitrogen dioxide gas are joining together, it produces nitrogen tetroxide. Then nitrogen pentoxide, sixth compound. Nitrogen pentoxide or dinitrogen pentoxide. Calculation of oxidation state. 2 nitrogen atoms present and 5 oxygen atoms present. For each oxygen, -2 is the charge. So oxidation state of nitrogen in this compound is +5, and this is also a colorless solid one, and which is acidic in nature. And this can be prepared using phosphorus pentoxide. When phosphorus pentoxide is treated with nitric acid, we get nitrogen pentoxide with the liberation of HPO3. This is metaphosphoric acid. So with the liberation of metaphosphoric acid, we obtain nitrogen pentoxide. So with this, oxides of nitrogen over and the respective Lewis dot structures have given in your book. You just to memorize as such. So in the structures of the oxides of nitrogen, if there is a small mistake, they won't give mark. If there is a mistake in lone pair of electron or positive charge, negative charge, mark will not be given. You just thorough the structures. Right. Next one, oxo acids of nitrogen. So oxides over. Next, oxyacids or oxoacids means along with oxygen, hydrogen will also be present. Okay. So what are the oxoacids of nitrogen? Along with oxygen, hydrogen will also be present. So this is hyponitrous acid, HNO2. This is nitrous acid, HOONO. So in this case, nitrogen is directly bonded with hydrogen, but here hydrogen is bonded with oxygen, right? So this is pernitrous acid. This we already studied, nitric acid. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about nitric acid preparation properties and uses. Then pernitric acid, HNO4. So these are all oxoacids of nitrogen. One by one we will discuss. Okay, calculate oxidation state. So we have two hydrogen atoms. For each hydrogen, charge 1 plus or oxidation state 1 plus. And the oxidation state of nitrogen is taken as X, 2 nitrogen atoms present, plus 2. For each oxygen, minus 2 is the charge. So 2 plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So oxidation state of nitrogen in hyponitrous acid is plus 1. So thorough the calculation of oxidation state of nitrogen. One more question will be there. Preparation of hyponitrous acid. For this, we take a salt Ag2N2O2. So this is called a silver 1 hyponitrite. Take down the name in your book. Silver 1 hyponitrite. So when this reacts with the hydrochloric acid, it forms hyponitrous acid with the liberation of silver chloride salt. So in all preparation methods, I am just writing the unbalanced equation. So in examination, you have to write balanced equation. So just to memorize the coefficients. Okay, don't write unbalanced equation. You write balanced equations. So using silver 1 hyponitrite, we prepare hyponitrous acid. Then what is the second compound? HNO2. So this is called a nitrous acid. Okay. Oxidation state, hydrogen 1. We have 2 oxygen atoms. So oxidation state of nitrogen here plus 3. And this can be prepared using barium nitrite salt. So take not nitrate, so this is barium nitrite salt, which is added with sulfuric acid. Barium will combine with sulfate. So barium 2 plus cation and SO4 2 minus anion will join as barium sulfate salt with the formation of nitrous acid. So this is the preparation of nitrous acid. Next, per nitrous acid oxidation state calculation for hydrogen 1, and for this oxygen -2, this oxygen -2, nitrogen X, and this one -2. Okay. So oxidation state of nitrogen +5 here. Now how can we prepare it? So this can be prepared using hydrogen peroxide and nitrous acid. So mix hydrogen peroxide and nitrous acid. We get per nitrous acid with the formation of water. Next one, nitric acid. So we already studied two preparation methods for nitric acid. One is obtained from the salt like potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate. Another one is commercial method of preparation using Ostwald's process. So we may write Ostwald's process. Before that, we may find what is the oxidation state of nitrogen here. For hydrogen 1, take oxidation state of nitrogen as X. 3 oxygen atoms present. So here also oxidation state +5. So we may write preparation. Ostwald's process is used for preparing nitric acid. So in Ostwald's process, first we take ammonia gas, which is obtained from Haber's process, and this is oxidation process. Ammonia combines with oxygen, it forms nitric oxide first. When the formed nitric oxide combines with oxygen again, it forms nitrogen dioxide gas. The nitrogen dioxide will be converted into nitrogen tetroxide. Then nitrogen tetroxide will combine with water in the presence of oxygen. It forms nitric acid, HNO3, important mineral acid. So nitric acid can be prepared using this Ostwald's process. The last one, per nitric acid, HNO4. Calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen. We have 4 oxygen atoms. So oxidation state of nitrogen is +7 here. Okay. So usually we think that valence electrons 5 for nitrogen, but it exhibits even +7 oxidation state also. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. This is a electronic configuration of nitrogen. We think that 5 electrons present in the valence cell. So maximum it can last 5 electrons, but it exhibits +7 oxidation state also. Next to preparation. So we take hydrogen peroxide and nitrogen pentoxide, N2O5. Nitrogen pentoxide and hydrogen peroxide. It provides per nitric acid and nitric acid. So both these two acids will be obtained. So these are all examples of oxo acids of nitrogen. So group number 15, nitrogen family. First, nitrogen based compounds, N2, NH3, nitric acid. Then oxides of nitrogen, NO, NO2, N2O, N2O3, N2O4, N2O5, oxides. Then oxo acids, hyponitrous acid, H2N2O2, then HNO2 nitrous acid, HOONO per nitrous acid, HNO3 nitric acid, at last HNO4 per nitric acid. All these we have completed. So thorough all the chemical reactions. So this third lesson is full of chemical reactions. Equations will be more in number. You just thorough the equations. And regarding the structure, you just memorize acids. Okay. So So tomorrow we start next element in group number 15, phosphorus. Okay, thank you.